Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of Dine with Diaz, and today I'll be taking you to Mochinut. All right, come along with me. Let's get it.
You can write a note, you can't even post it. I don't wanna know who you're chilling with lately. Why you got the nerve? I don't even care about the lies. Now you ask me why I'm mad about it. Now you ask me why I'm mad about it. You're the one who left and I allowed it. You're the one who left and I allowed it. You can write.
I've secured the bag. Let's check out what's inside. All right, so I got 3 different Korean corn dogs, and I'm sure you've seen these all over social media. Here's the first one. That's the box. This is a Takis one. Look at that. And these are all cheese filled, no corn dog. All right, here's the next one. This is hot Cheetos. Man, that looks amazing. And I got the third one here. And this one is a potato one. Oh yeah. That's awesome. And then I got 3 different sauces. So I got mustard, spicy mayo, and sweet chili. All right, I'm gonna take a bite just by themselves without any sauce, see how it tastes. All right, this is the Takis one, blue Takis. All right, one bite, everyone knows the rules. That tastes really good. I don't think I've ever had Takis before. That was a good choice. All right, here's the hot Cheetos one. No sauce. That was a great cheese pull. You got the branded little napkins. All right, last but not least, the potato. All right. That's almost like a tater tot on the outside there. All right, I love spicy mayo, so I'm gonna start with this one. Let's see what it tastes like by itself. That's really good. Okay, so I can do this without making a mess. I'm gonna put the sauce inside here and dip it. Oh, look at that cheese. All right, got a good dip in there. That is a good combo right there. And this is made super fresh. I had to wait about 15 minutes after I ordered it, because they make them all made to order. I'm gonna try the spicy mayo with the potato one. All right. Got that good dip on there. That's so crispy. I don't know if you can hear it. So good. And that was also good with the spicy mayo. Now for the hot Cheeto. And this was definitely the best cheese pull. All right, got that sauce on there. Man, that's a good flavor combination. And I know people love hot Cheetos and Takis, so they'll definitely love that. Got my Coke Zero Quick Trip. Okay, now I want to try them dipped in the sweet chili sauce. And I think everyone knows what sweet chili sauce is. It goes with a lot of Korean or Chinese food. All right, we're gonna try it on the potato one. That good sauce dip on there. Also a good flavor combination. These are definitely messy. All the topping on the corn dog falls off. All right, got that dipped in the sweet chili. Not bad. It's not great with the blue Takis for the sweet chili, but I think the potato one's the best on that one. All right, now going with the hot Cheeto and the sweet chili. There we go. It's okay. The sweet chili sauce really, in my opinion, just goes with the potato one. Just because the hot Cheeto and the Taki powder doesn't really go well with the sweet chili sauce. And I also did get mustard, but I don't think I'm going to use that because they do have corn dog ones with actual hot dogs inside, and that would probably go good with that, but I didn't get hot dogs inside of these, so I don't want to try that. But I'm going to continue using my hot mayo, my spicy mayo. And they did have other flavors in there of these hot dogs. They also had a ramen one and also an original, and that's just no coating on the outside, just the breading. And so I'm gonna do a little breakdown on the price, and I'm not gonna lie, these are pretty pricey, but it is just like a fun thing to do. Take your kids, take your partner, spouse, wife, to do this and just try them out. They were insanely busy, but they are brandly open. They just opened last week, so there was a lot of buzz going around, especially I wanted to try them out as well. Okay, so just for the mozzarella stick by itself with no coating on the outside, it was $6.50 each. And then if you add like the Taki or the hot Cheeto powder, it's an extra 50 cents per stick. So I got 3 mozzarella sticks and 1 with blue heat, which is the Takis, 1 with hot Cheetos, and 1 with potato. So all in all, with tax, my total was $22.92 for all 3 of those. The sauces on the side are not extra. You just make them yourself, and then just put them on a little cup to go. They provide napkins and straws if you would get a drink. They do offer bubble tea and also mochi donuts. I've never had that before. I mean, I think they're kind of like a donut, but it's just a little lighter, and I didn't really want anything sweet right now, so I just got the cheese dogs. But all in all, I would recommend you trying this out at least once. Like I said, it's pretty pricey, but it is kind of cool, and just for the experience wise. So this is out in Overland Park, Kansas. It's just right over the state line from Missouri, so it's not too far from Kansas City. So definitely check them out. Like I said, go for the experience. The inside is real cool. They have a backdrop of like wings. You can take a picture with it. And also, don't go on a weekend for your first time, because it is crazy busy and you will have to wait a while. So definitely check them out. Definitely drop your comments, and make sure you subscribe so you can catch the next video. And I thank you for the likes and the shares and just all the feedback I'm getting on these videos. So remember, wherever you are in the world, be kind, and I hope to see you on the next one.